So here's a quick update on basically me coming back and what I termed punishing the market. So on Thursday, I had one of my worst trading days I've had in years, a negative 39,775. I did share my trade log. I did a video on this as well, so you'll see those linked down below. Now this was on Thursday. Friday, I identified 3 issues that were plaguing my trading and have been building for about a year. This is the result of Friday's trade, and I actually really only got to trade the afternoon. So the afternoon trading was around 43,502. End of the day, they were pretty solid. So what I want to share here is kind of a real gut check. As a trader, it's only you. It's only you against the market. What you heard if you did listen to the video where I shared kind of the synopsis of that trading day, what you heard was someone or me really working on my own psychology for me to focus. I identified really 3 things that were negative trading habits that have really come to a head for me, which is my need for a challenge. And the market is not the right place for a challenge. I should be focused on pulling capital from the market. Also, fighting my system. I developed an awesome trading system. And then oftentimes I'm trading against it or trading aggressively, fading against it, which just doesn't make sense at all. Once again, that was my need for a challenge. I had a couple other things that I mentioned in that video, so it'll be linked down below if you actually want to watch it and kind of go through or actually see what happens, or at least the process that a trader goes through when they necessarily have a bad day and they're looking inside themselves, because it's really just you. No one else is going to hold you accountable. It's just you against the market. You have to be able to take the arrows. You have to be able to go against the tide. You're not going to have someone else to lean on. So you got to be able to look in the mirror, and you've got to be able to self-correct. Now, one trading, I'm not going to be able to trade today because I get treatment today. So tomorrow is probably, if I feel okay, I'll be able to trade. But one trading day doesn't make up for my 1 or 2 year slide into adding bad or negative habits into my trading. So this one day, even though I did, I guess you could say, erase that negative trading day, this is the first step. I have many more steps to go. This is something that's been building for the last year and a half in my trading. So one day is, this is great, but one day it needs to be consistent. I'm sure I'm going to fall back into some bad habits here and there, but at least I've identified them now. And you'll see if you're following along, you'll be able to subscribe below. If you're not subscribed, join me in Discord. We stream our trades. I share my P&L. One thing I will mention, if you go to my website, and you go here, you'll see here on my website on the P&L, I do share my P&L and I share my streams. So you can go back and look at past P&Ls, past streams, and everything else like that. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed down below, you'll see a link to Discord. Join me in Discord. If you want to learn more about my trade system, or maybe even join the training, become a member, become an Alpha Den member, you'll see a link to my website down below as well. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.